So, how do you like it? Taco, what is this? It's a car. Taco, we don't need a car. We already have what? Where's our car? Hey, don't you worry, because this car is a lot better. Oh my God, no. You need to get this car out of here. It's an eyesore. But, no. You know what? I don't really care about this car, but you know who will care? The HOA. Now get this car out of here before they find out. Wait! Before you go, at least come in the car and see how it runs. Because you didn't even try that yet. So that's the least you can do, I guess. Okay, fine. Taco. You are gonna get this car off my property. I don't care how. Just know, if I see this car, well, debris on my property. Taco, listen to me. What? Get this ash off my driveway, please. All right, fine. Yeah. Well, maybe I could just fix it. I'll try to fix it. Yeah, right, okay. Yeah, try to fix. Yeah, okay. Yeah. Go ahead and fix that. Yeah, okay. I will fix it. I will. Watch me.